How to turn off You May Like suggestions on TikTok. Hey everyone! In this video tutorial, we're showing you how to remove You May Like suggestions on TikTok, step by step. It's super simple, so let's get started. First, open the TikTok app on your phone and make sure you're signed into your account. Once you're inside TikTok, look toward the top of the screen and tap on the search icon in the upper right corner. When the search page opens, you'll notice an option labeled See More. Tap on that. Now scroll down until you see the Clear All button under your search history. Tap it and then confirm the action when prompted. This will remove your previous searches and help reduce algorithm-based suggestions. Once that's done, head back to the main screen in TikTok. Next, go to your profile by tapping the profile icon in the bottom right corner of your screen. Once you're on your profile page, tap the three horizontal lines, or dots, in the top right corner. A menu will pop up. Select Settings and Privacy from the list. In the Settings and Privacy section, scroll down and tap on Notifications. Scroll again until you find the option called Posts You May Like. Now just toggle the switch off to disable those recommendations.